So it's hard to see, but this is not part of the building. Coming up to it, it's a double wide. Do you know the measurement by chance? Okay. It's pretty big. Looks like it could be a 56 or a 60 footer. A 24 likely. I'll confirm that. So walk in, closet, dining room, great room with a stove. Looks operational. It is. So, off kitchen, side door. Kitchen, rear entry, hookups for a dryer washer. As you can see, it has its information. Going towards the back of the house. So inside of the dining room, there's another. So front door, side door access, 2 sliding doors. There's another closet. And then you have a bathroom. The new tub surround. There's another closet in behind here. The door handle's broken though. Sink. And then going towards the back, another closet. And then your first bedroom with electrical panel. Hot water tank, it's only 5 years old. Another bedroom. It's a closet, it's pretty big. Original windows. And then you got the master bedroom. This is a fairly large walk-in closet. Fairly large room. And then ensuite with shower and bath. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath, fairly big, double wide.